Bastian Körber, Principal Product Manager at Camunda, responsible for AI in new markets. So everything which has to do something with intelligence and is not directly core of process orchestration. Meeting customers, partners, and community in person. So really having this chat, standing at the coffee, and just having this non-scheduled personal chats about everything and nothing. Then also see what kind of problems customers are solving, right? So we are building this software, we have something in mind, but if you're then talking to customers, it's such a creativity, it's amazing. And I always love to see these use cases, these customer presentations, also what kind of value they're creating with our software. It's amazing to see. It's really about playing around with new technologies, right? So we are a process orchestration company and we have several really cool AI connectors. And what we will do in this workshop is just play around, right? So see how AI is working together with process orchestration. How can you combine this technology? How you can combine LLM technology, so using large language models to orchestrate stuff, and then also using smaller large language models. And we will just have fun. So I'm really looking forward to this. What we will not do is going deeply in code. Really, we will use our connectors. We will use prompt engineering. We will connect to AWS Bedrock, maybe ChatGPT, and really just play around. So it will be actually a follow-up of our keynote. So keynote one, we will present new topics around task automation. Keynote 2, we will demo them. And yeah, our presentation is really going deep. Really, it's showing what we are currently working on and what are our newest innovation around task automation. We are talking a lot about process orchestration, but for process orchestration, you also need to automate tasks, right? So otherwise, orchestration doesn't make sense because then you're just orchestrating humans. And the biggest key takeaway should be out of decision is how can I use Camunda to orchestrate task automation, when to use which technology, and at the end having the big goal of an end-to-end journey, right? And we just want to help our customers to get faster to this end-to-end orchestrated process. And so my goal is that the audience will get an understanding why we go in this direction, what kind of features we will deliver and why we are delivering them. And also to answer questions, right? So I assume there are a lot of questions, why we're doing this, why we're doing that. And we are product managers, so we are happy to answer all these questions.